Hey guys, I'm Anna, and today I'm going to show you how to fix Cash App if it isn't letting you add money without debit card. Cash App generally lets you add money even without a debit card within seconds. However, if you're not able to add money without a debit card at the moment, it can be due to a temporary technical issue. So first of all, you need to make sure you're running the latest version of the app. Open up App Store on your device, and then tap on this search icon in the bottom right corner. Then search for the Cash App. And if you see this update button right next to the app name, simply tap on it to make sure you're running the latest version of the app. This should fix Cash App not letting you add money without debit card. But if it doesn't, then you need to clear App Cache. Go to your device settings and then scroll all the way down to General and tap on it. Then tap on iPhone Storage. From here, search for the Cash App and then tap on it. Once you're on this screen, you need to tap on Offload App. Tap again to confirm. It'll take a bit for processing, and then a reinstall button will show up. Simply tap on it to reinstall the app. This should fix Cash App not letting you add money without debit card. But if it doesn't, then open up Cash App on your device and then tap on this profile icon in the top right corner. From here, you need to scroll down and tap on Support. Over here, you need to tap on something else. Once you're on this screen, scroll down and tap on Cash Card. Again, scroll down to the bottom and tap on Contact Support, and then click on Not About a Transaction right over here. Once you're on this screen, tap on Chat at the bottom to contact Customer Support Official. Now briefly explain the issue to the Cash App representative. You can type something along the lines of, "I'm trying to add some money to my Cash App balance, but I'm running into a bit of a hurdle. It seems like I need to link a debit card to add funds, and that's not ideal for me right now. I was hoping there might be another way to top up my account. I've seen some things online about using a bank account transfer, but I couldn't find that option within the app. Is there a way to add money directly from my bank account without needing a debit card linked? If a bank transfer isn't available, are there any alternative methods for adding funds that don't involve a debit card? Any insights you can provide would be greatly appreciated." Hopefully, the Cash App customer representative will help you fix Cash App if it isn't letting you add money without debit card. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on this heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.